Story: The Haunted Toy Store. In a small town, there was an old toy store that had been locked for a long time. People said the toys inside moved on their own at night. One evening, Liam, 6, Emma, 5, and Noah, 4, were playing outside when they saw a light flicker inside the toy store window. "Did you see that?" Liam asked. Emma, the bravest, said, "Let's check it out." Noah, a little scared, held Emma's hand as they tiptoed to the door. Suddenly, creak, the door opened by itself. The kids gasped and stepped inside. The shelves were full of dusty old toys. But then, a teddy bear blinked. "Welcome," a tiny voice whispered. The kids froze. The toys were alive. A toy soldier marched past them. A doll with glowing eyes whispered, "We've been waiting for you." "Gee, ghosts," Noah whimpered. Emma shook her head. "No, I think they need our help." The teddy bear nodded. "We are magic toys, but we are trapped. The toy store's owner, Mr. Benny, disappeared long ago, and we need a golden key to wake him up." The kids looked around and found a shiny golden key hidden in a toy box. As soon as they turned the key in an old music box, the whole store glowed with golden light. The toys froze, and then, the door of a tiny wooden house inside the store creaked open. Inside, there was a tiny figure, Mr. Benny. He had been trapped by magic. With a smile, he thanked the kids. "You saved the toy store." The toys cheered, "Hooray!" As the kids walked home, the store light flickered one last time as if saying goodbye. Moral of the story: bravery and friendship can solve any mystery. Helping others brings magical rewards.